In this video, I'll guide you through how to create feedback surveys in HubSpot. Whether you're looking to gather customer insights or simply gauge satisfaction, HubSpot makes it easy to design surveys that can help you make informed decisions. Let's dive in and explore the process step by step, ensuring you get the most out of your feedback surveys. First, you'll want to navigate to the right section within HubSpot. Start by going to the Service tab, which you'll find on your dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Feedback Surveys option. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see a button that says Create Survey. Click on that to begin setting up your survey. HubSpot offers you a choice of 4 survey types: Customer Satisfaction, CSAT, Net Promoter Score, NPS, Customer Effort Score, CES, and Custom Surveys. Each type is tailored for specific feedback needs, so think about what you're aiming to achieve. For instance, if you're looking to measure how likely a customer is to recommend your product, the NPS survey is your go-to option. Meanwhile, if you want to assess the ease of a particular process, consider using the CAS survey. Once you've decided on the type of survey that best suits your needs, the next step is to select the delivery method. HubSpot provides several options for how your survey can reach your audience. You might choose to send it via email, which is a common choice for reaching customers directly. Alternatively, you could opt for an in-app delivery if you want to engage users while they're active on your platform. The method you choose should align with how your audience prefers to communicate, so take a moment to consider their habits and preferences. Now that you've chosen your survey type and delivery method, it's time to customize the content and logic of your survey. This is where you can really tailor the survey to suit your needs. HubSpot allows you to personalize the questions, ensuring they resonate with your audience and gather the insights you're looking for. Think about what specific information will be most beneficial for your business. Are you looking to understand customer satisfaction with a new product feature, or are you more interested in gauging overall brand sentiment? Customize your questions accordingly. Additionally, consider the logic of your survey. HubSpot enables you to set up conditional logic, meaning that the survey can adapt based on how respondents answer certain questions. This makes your survey more dynamic and can lead to more meaningful insights. For example, if a respondent indicates they're dissatisfied, you might want to trigger a follow-up question that asks them to elaborate on their experience. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating feedback surveys in HubSpot. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to collecting valuable customer insights that can drive improvements in your service and product offerings. Remember, the key to effective surveys is clarity and relevance. So take the time to think about what you want to achieve and how best to engage your audience. Thank you for watching and happy surveying.